So hey there, I am a young innovator named Prajulan Hedge, studying in BGS National Public School in 8th grade, and here I have with me the FirePen 3D by Bibbox, and I think this, in just one word, is amazing. It's astounding, amazing. There are a lot of words to describe this, which I think the dictionary is not enough. It's very easy to use. That is, it's like you don't need to learn anything to be able to use this. You know how to operate in computer, you'll know how to run this too. If you know how to transfer and if you know how to design something using Tinkercad, any software, you'll be able to print anything in this world that you want to. I mean, there are just so many endless possibilities that you can do or that you can achieve with this, that if I'm giving you an example, if you need some part for your project, you don't need to waste time designing it, then going into something like cardboard, cutting it out, cutting yourself, and then a lot of other trauma that is situated or that is linked with it. Rather, just design it, export it, and this will do the job for you. The best thing is, since as you would have observed, I sit here, my desk is here, the printer is right beside me, and just like many other open printers, it gets the job done, but the advantage is it gets the job done much quieter. That is, and the print quality is just amazing, and because of this enclosed design, sitting beside, I don't hear a single thing. The fan is actually currently running, and even if this would be printing, then I would not have even heard a single sound or a noise from this sitting right beside. I can even study without any disturbance right beside the printer while it's printing. That's one more thing I love. Then again, the ease of use. I can just easily get a filament, I can put it in, then put it in the nozzle, and done. Just export the model, then they have a TFT display, makes it a whole lot easier. No manual work, no buttons, nothing. It's like a small computer right here, and most importantly, some small features which make a great advantage or make a great difference would be these LED lights in this. So there's a small switch you can turn on or off, and this means that it can even print during the night time. After it's printing, you can just take it out and use it. You don't need to sit and watch how the work is being done. It does it with perfection.
When we got this product delivered at home, it was very easy for Prajwal to assemble. He printed his first model. It was an amazing moment, especially for parents, to see that he is printing his own model from now. He is having the advantage of having a FirePen 3D at home. I would say that his level of imagination and creativity would be exponentially increasing because he has that needed tools and props at home.
So I have this dream aspiration from a very young age to start my own company. So the company's name is IIMB, which stands for Inventors Inventing Machine Business. So that's one very aspirational future goal that I would like to achieve, but solving everyday problems would be the main motto for me, my company, and I think anything that I would build ever in future. I think I would also be very willing to participate in many future competitions, especially competitions that have been organized by Bibbox, because I think T+ is one of the competitions that was very beautifully organized. There's not a single place where we felt that okay, this competition is maybe it's just extending for no reason, but it's like a place where we learned a lot. So even if there are not opportunities, we can make opportunities for ourselves. So I think that is one more thing I'll be doing in the very near future.